Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be making some oven-baked French fries. I got this recipe from my friend Chef Ben on Instagram. I'll link his Instagram page down below. And while you're at it, if you're not following me, all my links to any of my social media accounts are down in the description bar as well. But I talked to Chef Ben about using one of his recipes because he makes delicious looking food on Instagram, and he gave me this recipe to try out. So I'm really excited to do this collaboration with him and tell him that Bree sent you and that I said hi. So if you guys are curious to see how these baked fries turn out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So I started by cutting my potatoes, and I just kind of started chopping and then just stuck with that size once I started chopping them. And the way that I found easiest with this was to actually feel the knife make the groove through the potato when I was slicing it, so I would hold both sides of it. And for some reason that made it really easy for me to stick with my desired fry shape when I cut them, rather than just slicing straight down. I don't know why, it just worked out this way. And then I boiled them in salted boiling water for 5 minutes until they were fork tender. And then after 2 minutes in the colander for a steam thing, I seasoned them with salt and pepper and regular olive oil. And I used quite a bit of salt because potatoes, as we know, need salt, otherwise they're super duper bland. And when I did this, they were hot, obviously, clearly, they just came out of boiling water. And you need to be careful about not smushing them because a couple of mine broke. But then after they baked for the first time, I flipped them every 15 minutes and that's what they looked like. And after the second time, a lot more of them were brown. So I ended up taking out some of them that were already crisp so that they wouldn't burn. And then after the last 15 minutes for 45 minutes total, I tossed them and seasoned them and they were done. All right guys, so these got done baking. They took about 40 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and test them out and really see how crisp these really are. Most people should have had a French fry in their life. So let's see if these are really crispy, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna start with the mustard.
You like them? Wow. These taste better than deep fried fries. They have like a really nice, almost rich flavor to them, which I feel like is all from the olive oil. So Chef Ben, thanks so much for this recipe. This will be our go-to fry recipe. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Chef Ben's Instagram. Again, I'll leave the link in the bottom below. Check mine out as well. And don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
You like them?
Mom, the next time you have one, side them with ketchup and the mustard. It's super good with both.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You just gonna eat those all?